Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Health and Herbs. Bananas are the second largest produced fruit in the world's fruit market. This plant gives fruit only once in lifetime. So after harvesting the fruit, the plants are either cut down or left behind in the field for natural decaying. Today, we are going to talk about something that lies inside the banana plant, which is highly beneficial for our body. It is the banana stem, scientific name Musa paradiscea. In our local language, we call this thor or kol posola. Banana stem is found inside the banana plant. It is the softer, tender core portion of the plant. Banana stem is a rich source of fiber, rich in potassium and vitamin B6, which helps in the production of insulin and hemoglobin. Potassium helps in proper functioning of our muscles and maintain the fluid balance in our body. Since banana stem is highly rich in iron and vitamin B6, which are responsible for increasing hemoglobin in our blood, regularly eating banana stem or juice made from it can cure anemia. Since it regulates insulin in our body, it is highly beneficial in treating diabetes. Since it is highly rich in fiber, it is not only helping in weight loss but provides relief from constipation. Banana stem juice and banana stem can aid acidity and ulcer. Drinking the juice or stem 3 times a week can reduce acidity, cures ulcer. Banana stem contain high amount of potassium. The potassium in the banana stem and the citric acid in the lime prevents formation of calcium crystals, which we call stones in our kidney. Another property of the banana stem is it is diuretic and it flushes away the toxins, cleanses our urinary tract and prevent infections. It is really helpful in reducing the belly fat. Adding a few drops of ginger juice with the banana stem juice can help in weight loss and burning the belly fat. For people who are suffering from high blood pressure, drinking the juice made from the inner core of the tender banana stem works wonderfully. Now, let's talk about how to cook banana stem. First of all you have to do is to remove the hard skin and take only the soft portion of the banana stem. Now cut this soft portion into small slices. After cutting the banana stem into small slices, add a little amount of turmeric and boil for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, fry the boiled banana stem in oil with a little amount of fenugreek seeds and black cumin. Alternatively, you can cook this with meat. So these are some health benefits of the banana stem. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.